We love Squishmallows! Guess who I will be teaching you to draw, Greenleaf? I don't know. He is very colorful and you usually will see him during Easter. Oh, I know! Eddie the Easter egg? Yes, you've got it. Let's get started. Have you got your paper, pencil, eraser, markers, and coloring pencils ready? Yes, all ready. Okay.
So I'm going to draw Eddie the Easter egg. Let's start with the basic oval shape, which is the shape of an egg. Okay, once that is done, I'm going to do the smiley face and let's do it a little bit lower. Right here, and then 2 eyes, 1 on each side with eyelashes. Okay, and then I'm going to do the wavy line. Do 1 more. Okay, and then I'm going to do a zigzag line above the eyes. 1 more. Okay, and then another zigzag line at the bottom. And then some circles. Alright, so let's outline. I'm going to use the black marker for the eyes. Color in. And eyelashes. And the mouth. Next I'm going to use pink for the side. Right here. And then I am going to use green right at the top and the bottom. And the bottom. Next will be yellow. And the circles will be yellow as well. Okay, I'm going to use light blue for the wavy lines. The pencil marks are just a guide for you, so if you didn't follow exactly, it's okay. And then purple through the bottom zigzag line. Okay, so let's erase the pencil marks. Okay, so I'm going to start coloring from the top. I don't have a yellow-green color, so I'm using aqua green. And then same thing for the bottom. Okay, and then we'll use yellow pencil crayons for the zigzag line at the top. And then the circles. I'm gonna use pink next. And then I'm gonna use blue for the wavy line. Lastly, purple. And there you go. This is Eddie the Easter egg.
Now it's my turn. Very nice. He is so colorful. Hee hee hee. We love Squishmallows. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.